Okay, 14 out of 30 stars. Alright, let's just go play more some Spongebob Krusty Cook-Off. A new star. Okay. Level 15. Alright, let's instant cook again, and let's press Patrick. Don't burn any food items, okay? Instant cook. Nobody likes burnt food, except for maybe Patrick. Okay, blueberry. Betty's and cream, berries and cream. What do you mean berries and cream? I don't even sing berries and cream. Betty's and cream. What do we have in the menu? This guy wants a plain pancake. What's going on with you guys? A blue pancake? Bro, that's too many coffees. You'll get fat by eating them. Oh my god, that's sweet. Yes. Oh, a blueberry. I definitely forgot about that. These ones are all for me. Oh, level 15 completed. Level 2. Alright, here we go. I just need some peace and quiet to practice my clarinet. But there's no way SpongeBob is going to close up shop. Especially with this noisy crowd of Bonix customers. Yeah. Let's just go ahead with level 16. And let's press play. Hard level goals. Oh my god. Oh, we got strawberries and blue jelly. Who knew these would be delicious too? Okay, now we have some strawberries. Everyone wants to get their faces off of a Krabby Patty bird. But no one wants coffee. How would they even make sense? Oh, this customer's letting me down. Okay, that's too many orders. Okay, and I won't think I'll make it. Oh, this customer was back there was screaming. I forgot about that customer over there. Alright, that's easy and simple. Oh, crap. Crap! I nearly forgot about that. Ah, silly me. This is the whole goal for me. Why is this so hard? No one... Why does no one want that one? You need to get a cookie. Why is this guy sniffing right? I need another cookie! These customers are letting me down. I don't believe it. Alright, here you go, customers! Oh, that was some hard work. Oh, I did so well. Even though that one was even harder than to the max. This is the first time I left a customer away. Another star. What does it say on the exclamation point? We have Patrick. Looks like I've unlocked Patrick, I guess. I'll take this thing off. I definitely unlocked Patrick. But I'm gonna go ahead using Spongebob for now. There it is. What's this? Makes food burn proof. Let's try it out. Let's do it. Alright, here we go. Don't burn any food item. Burn proof. Oh my god. Squidward got burnt. Oh, that even makes sense. Alright. I nearly forgot about that. I'm doing really good so far. But this customer right here is letting me down. They're all letting me down. I'm letting every single customer and just letting me down. Well, they're not letting me down just yet. Well, except for this person right here, waiting for her food. There we go. These customers are not trying to let me down just yet. Coffee. I can't take with those coffees. Oh, I need to keep going before it's too late. Yes, 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 yes. I'm a man. Level 17 was harder, but let's just keep trying again. We got another star. Again, don't lose customers again. Why do you want me to do that again? Haha, Squidward got burnt. Alright, what? All food is fast food if you're fast enough. An easy one. And a 2. And a 3. And that's what I call a combo. The higher the combo, the greater the reward. What the reward is? Alright. I'm such a great cooker. Yes, we got another 5x combo. Why does everyone want pancakes so much? I think they must be dying already. Alright, so I'm doing really good. I'm not trying to lose any customers. Alright, attention people, this is your guy speaking. Alright, I got 3 cookies left to make them cheer up. I'll have the rest of the 2 pancakes for me. No, I was supposed to get them all! At least I didn't lose customers. If I lose them, it's gonna pay for me. Gonna pay the bills. Oh, you gotta, what? Okay. What's next? Hey SpongeBob, I won the jellyfishing contest. All thanks to your lucky jellyfishing net. That's impossible. That contest was fake. I won this cool trophy. And this jar of delicious jellyfish jam. And $100. Wow, congratulations, Patrick. Uh-oh. How is this happening to me? We got another treasure. What is it? What is it? What is it? Money, 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 money. Let's get something else like these. Let's speed up. Alright. And now plates. I need to wait. I don't have enough gems. Alright. Don't trash. I won't trash any item. Okay. This is my main goal. Don't. Remember, never waste food. Because that will be a waste of money. Huh? I was confusing back there. I was slightly convincing. Uh-oh, this one's losing patience. Everyone's losing patience. What am I gonna do? Oh, this is my last cookie. Oh, help me, Mama. I'm all out of cookies. This kid right here is waiting patiently. Angry, of course. Uh-oh, this one's losing his patience. Wow, I did so good! At least I didn't trash any food items. Like a hum.